we just made a surprise for our mom because we kind of did something bad. And yeah, here it is. We made this giant rainbow all across our whole hallway. And I'll show you what it says. Okay, let's see if you can spot W, E space L O V E space Y O U space M A M A. And it's a giant rainbow. Now I'm going to run across so you can see the giant rainbow. Backwards. Forward. Okay. Oh, you did it again! Says we love you, Mommy. You? Mama. Can you see? I'll try to go away. I'm gonna try to. So yeah, this is what we made for our mom. I think it looks good. It's like a bunch of different colors and on this light kind of yellow wall. And it's 13 pages. It was really hard. We had to cut here on the red one and here on the pink one. The pink one's so bad. So bye people. Bye.